Welcome to Catalyst 924, the Agentic Network Operations Center built on Snowflake. This platform transforms how telecom operators manage network faults by combining real-time alarm correlation, autonomous AI agents, and closed-loop remediation, all running natively on Snowflake Container Services. Starting with the network map, we can see our national coverage across the United States. We are actively monitoring 3 major markets: Florida, Los Angeles, and Dallas, covering over 7,000 G-Node Bs, 368 transport switches, and 8 data centers. Each cluster represents live cell sites with real-time alarm state and topology links. Moving to fault management, we are monitoring 678 active alarms across these markets. The alarm table shows severity distribution: 104 critical, 515 major, and 59 minor. Each alarm carries domain classification, resource identification, and timestamp. Switching to the Incidents tab, we see 37 correlated incident groups. Each group represents multiple alarms that our correlation agent identified as sharing a common root cause. This compression ratio turns hundreds of individual alarms into actionable incidents that operators can resolve efficiently. Clicking on a correlated incident opens the detail panel on the right. Here we see a microwave backhaul degradation pattern. The panel shows the correlation summary, confidence score, affected sites, and the root cause alarm highlighted with its child alarms below. Switching to the Agent Flow tab in the Detail panel reveals the multi-agent resolution pipeline. Each step was executed by a specialized AI agent, from fault detection through correlation, root cause analysis, remediation planning, and service validation. Every agent decision is traceable. Popping out the full Agent Flow view, we see the complete resolution pipeline in an expanded overlay. The correlation agent identified the alarm pattern. The RCA agent determined the root cause. Below each card, the impact assessment shows real-time network and subscriber impact, sites affected, cells degraded, and revenue at risk. Expanding the remediation agent card reveals the fix plan, classification as hardware intervention, step-by-step remediation actions, and validation targets. The field dispatch agent then coordinates the on-site technician with work order details and SMS communication to the field team. Navigating to the impact assessment application, we see a consolidated view of all network and business impact across active incidents. This includes mean time to repair, fault categories, impacted services like voice over NR and enhanced mobile broadband, and the total subscriber impact across customer segments. Scrolling down reveals per incident impact details: sites impacted, cells degraded, links affected, and the revenue at risk for each customer category. This gives executives clear visibility into the business consequences of network faults in real time. The Digital Twin application provides simulation-based validation. Each proposed remediation action is tested against the network digital twin to predict success probability, identify risks, and calculate confidence scores, ensuring safe execution before any changes are applied to the live network. The Intent Manager implements TMF 921 Intent Lifecycle Management. Here we see active intents defining service-level objectives, for example, maintaining priority users' slice assurance. Clicking on an intent reveals the full detail view. The overview shows the objective, what the intent is trying to achieve. The expression defines target values and constraints. Below that, we see the target nodes and cells that this intent applies to. Let me switch to the Actions tab to see what corrective actions are available. The Actions tab shows the specific corrective actions that agents can trigger when SLO violations are detected. Each action targets specific nodes and cells with defined parameters and expected impact, all within the guardrails defined by the intent. Autonomy control allows operators to configure the level of automation for each action type. 3 modes. Human mode requires full operator approval. Agentic mode means AI agents guide the operator through the fix, and autonomous mode allows the system to execute and validate entirely without human intervention. This is Catalyst 924, a production-grade agentic NOC platform running entirely on Snowflake, multi-agent orchestration, real-time fault correlation, impact assessment, and closed-loop remediation, all powered by Snowflake Container Services and Cortex AI. Thank you for watching.